Okay, today we are going to start the next chapter, quadratic equation. We know that the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0, because if a equal to 0, then this part become fully 0, then there left bx plus c, then this become only linear equation. So the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, now here I have written one equation, x square minus 6x minus 4 equal to 0. If question is come that whether it is a quadratic equation or not, then we will compare the given equation with the standard form of the equation and we will say it is a quadratic equation or not. So there we will write down again x square minus 6x minus 4 equal to 0. This can be written as x square plus this minus sign I can take with 6 in a bracket, then x, then plus minus 4 equal to 0. Now you compare both the equations where a value is 1, b value is minus 6 and c value is minus 4. So a, b, c are integers where a not equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation. Then we will write down it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore it is a quadratic equation. Next, this one, x plus 1 by x equal to 1. Now this given equation is an quadratic equation or not, that we have to verify. Then our main motto is what? How I have written this one means I am trying to write down the given equation in this form. So this also I want to write down. I will try to write down in this form. For that, what I will do? I will simplify it. Now look here. The given equation ultimately we can convert it into this form, where a means 1, b means b means minus 1 and c means 0. So this given equation also can be write in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Means in this way we will write down this is of the form of this. So therefore it is quadratic equation. So in this way you have to give the answer. Namaste children. Today I am going to start the second exercise 4.2, where the first question I have already given to you, where written find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist, and by the method of completing the square. So here I am taking the first question. 2x square minus 7x plus 3. Right hand side of the board I have shown you the same question by the method of completing square. If you don't do it and you do your regular method, means splitting middle term method, then in this way you can solve it. Okay, in middle term is 6 plus 1, and like this you can solve solve it, and x value here you will get this. Okay, so now I am going to do the same question by the method of completing the square. But before that, in the question is written the roots are exist or not. For that, how you will check the roots are exist or not? For that, you see what I have written. After first you have to write down the equation, then you have to write comparing with this given equation with our standard form of the equation, quadratic equation. 2x square plus bx plus c, a, b value and c value is these are, and we have to find out b square minus 4ac value. after this. The value is 25, which is greater than 0. That is why we can write down roots are exist. So now I am going to solve it by completing square method. First of all, you have to remember that x square, along with x square, what is the coefficient is there. If it is 1, it is okay. But if it is something else, means some number is written, then try to make it 1. Now 2, I want to make it 1. How I can make? For that, I will divide each term by 2. Means whatever number is there, that one you divide. Okay? Divide by 2 each term. If I do it, then what I will get? I will get the coefficient of x square is 1. That is our first step. What is the second step? The second step is the constant part I will bring on the right hand side. I will write x square minus 7x equal to minus 3 by 2. After that, this part, left hand side part, I will write in the form of square. Here question is completing the square method. So a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square form I will try to write down here, this one. So how I can get it? You look, x square. The first term is x square. So in a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus twice ab, or in twice ab generally we write in middle. Okay, then a square, here x square, so means a is, here it is x. Okay, then minus sign, suppose, so ultimately as there is a minus, a plus b, not a plus b, a minus b we will try to get. Okay, so minus twice ab, now twice a is what? X. B. Now what we will write b? Here already this term is where coefficient of x is written, means this one 7 by 2 is there, and here newly I have written 2 into x, but 7 by 2 is already there. If I change it here, then it will not be balanced. Implied sign I am writing, it should be balanced both the lines. That is why I will write here 7 by 4. 2 I am writing extra here, so 2 you multiply here extra in the denominator. So here it will be 7 by 4. Mean in place of b, I am writing 7 by 4. So that 2 and 4 cancel, and ultimately it will be 7 by 2x, like the first line. Then plus, here b square is there. So now b part I am getting for 7 by 4. So definitely 7 by 4 whole square. But in the upper line, 7 by 4 whole square is not there. So that we are writing extra. So to balance it, we have to write down minus 7 by 4 whole square equal to minus 3 by 2 as usual, right hand side. Now I will write down only a plus b whole square part, means a square minus twice ab plus b square. So x square minus twice x, 7 by 4 plus 7 by 4 whole square equal to 7 by 4 whole square minus 3 by 2. Now in left hand side, x minus 7 by 4 whole square, and right hand side we just simplify. We will simplify it. 7 square means 49 and 4 square means 16. Then 49 by 16 minus 3 by 2. You take LCM and simplify it. You find out it is how much? It will be 25 by 16. After simplification we will get that, means apparently you can do it 25 by 16. So ultimately we are getting x minus 7 by 4 whole square is equal to 25 by 16. So now if I want to remove this square, because our question is to find out the roots, means find out the value of x, not only keep in this form, whole square form. So after that, if I want to get x only, so first of all I have to take both sides square root. Okay, means I want to remove this square. So x minus 7 by 4 is equal to, so for this we will get plus minus 5 by 4. That is 5 square by 4. So 5 by 4. Now, okay, you understand? Now x is equal to how much? X is equal to, I am getting here x minus 7 by 4. So 7 by 4 minus 7 by 4 I will bring on that side. So it will be 7 by 4 plus minus. I think you understand why plus minus is written. Then and 5 by 4. Okay. So after getting x equal to 7 by 4 plus minus 5 by 4, either we can write down now, either x is equal to 7 by 4 plus 5 by 4. Okay, we will take LCM 4, then in numerator it will be 7 plus 5, 12, ultimately 3. Or if plus minus is sign is there, if it is minus, then again we will take LCM, it will be 4, numerator will become 2, and ultimately it is 1 by 2. So by splitting the middle term, what values we are getting the same value here. Okay, I am taking ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We know that this is standard form of quadratic equation, and on it now I am going to apply completing the square method to solve it, to find out the value of x. Let's see what I will get. First I want to make it 1. A coefficient of x square I want to make it 1. So from each term I will divide a. After dividing a, I will get this. This is my first step. Second step, the constant part I will bring on the right hand side. After second step, third step, the left hand side part, this one, I will, as it is plus, I will try to write down in the form a plus b whole square. So x square plus 2 into x. Here a plus b whole square, a square plus twice ab plus b square there. A means x, so plus twice a. Now b. So in the upper line already b by a, x is there, coefficient of x is b by a. So to balance it, I am writing here extra 2 multiply 2. So in the denominator, in the upper line, this coefficient, with this I will multiply 2. So it is balanced with the upper line. Okay, a square plus twice ab plus b square part is this. So this part is, as it is extra, so that extra part we have to remove. Okay, so here I will write down x square plus 2x b by twice a plus b by twice a whole square equal to this minus b square minus twice a whole square, that one I will bring on that side, become positive b by twice a whole square, or I can write down b square by 4a square minus c by a. Now a plus b whole square form, x plus b by twice a whole square is equal to, if we take LCM here, a 4a square I will get, and above I will get b square minus 4ac. You look, this one 4b square minus 4ac. Now square one I will remove. So here I will write down plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. But in the denominator 4a square, If root is come, then it will become twice a. Okay. And if I bring plus b by twice a on that side, it become minus b by twice a. Then it will be twice a down. So ultimately we get what? After bringing this and after simplification means only I am taking twice by 2 twice a as a LCM, and in numerator I will get minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac. Okay, and the whole thing, x value is this, the whole thing is called quadratic formula. So sometime we can apply this formula also to find out the roots of the equation. Means we can find out the roots of the equation by completing the square method, by splitting the middle term method, or quadratic formula also.